Hi there! Welcome to Nally Learning. Today, we're going to talk about Biteable, an easy-to-use app for making animated videos. Let's begin. The first thing you have to do is to sign up. On your landing page, click Create a New Video. You'll see various templates for the videos you want to create. For now, let's choose this. Click Find Template, and then let's choose this template from the options given. In your dashboard, you will notice that you can easily edit the text, choose font types, and click on the other frames or scenes, just like working on a presentation slide deck. Now, let's edit the first scene. Click Save and Preview, and you can also change the font type. Let's try this. Then, let's edit the two other scenes. And now, let's try to add a new scene. Biteable offers you a lot of scenes based on different themes. Let's choose this. Then, we can edit the text and choose a font. By the way, you can also choose a color theme for your scenes. Let's choose shades of green. Also, you can choose an audio track to go with your video. Now it's time for a preview. Let's click play. Do note that you can only download the video if you have a paid or premium account. For now, you can publish it on Biteable. Just add a title for the video. Also, since this is a free account, you will have the Biteable watermark on the video. You can also get the link of the video and embed it on your website or blog, or you can simply share it on your social media accounts. That's it! That's how easy it is to create an animated video on Biteable. Join us again next time for more tips and tricks here at Nally Learning. Always remember that the best time to learn is now. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Click the subscribe button to get more updates.